Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. My name is Kanella Ciraco and welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, back to the All About That Base series. And tonight's video is going to be all about Greyish Blue by Amsterdam. Fully opaque, grayish blue. This is a really pretty color. And I've got it all ready, mixed up here. Look how pretty it is. I've already gone ahead and painted my sides for perfect coverage, just in case. And this is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. All right, so here's my base. The colors I'm using tonight are going to be Blue Black Indigo by Atelier. Then I have Pearl Amethyst Purple by Arteza. Do you notice how I'm always putting an Arteza color in there? I'm really loving these Arteza paints. Then Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. And topping it off, Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. So this is an all purpley silver with this beautiful base. This should be interesting. And like I mentioned in my last video, I'm gonna do this using my old hairdryer, my Conair travel hairdryer from Walmart from like 3 years ago. But I'm gonna give this one a go. I'm gonna try it. I may regret it. We shall see, but I gotta try it. So I'm gonna go back to this. And yeah, let's see what happens. So this was like this, and this, and this, and this. And I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, canvas flooded, bubbles have been popped, and I'm like, I swear, you guys are gonna hate me. Always trying to think about what composition I'm gonna do. Okay, so I think in this one, because it's a 12 by 16 and I am going with the bigger hair dryer, I'm going to do just a line here and a line here and just see what happens. Or yeah, I'll just try that. I'll just try the big hair dryer. Let's go back to my, roots here and just do what I used to do. Actually, what if I did this? And then this feels backwards to me. That? Like it or not, that's what I did. So, well, this should be interesting. Very interesting. All right, let's do the, you know what? No, I'm going to do the silver next because I really like that amethyst and I want it to show up near the top. This is going to be a weird blowout. Always making things hard for myself, This is such a pretty color. All right, and topping it off, Permanent Blue Violet. That's pretty. All right, there are the colors. Let's pop the bubbles. All right, I'm a little, don't know what to do here. So this hair dryer goes on high. The other one's always on low. So I'm gonna hold on to my paper towel here because I don't want it blowing into my wet paintings that are drying over here. All right, so I think I'm just going to go this way. I don't even know. So on high. well, I really love it. Now I just don't know what on earth I'm gonna do on this side. This is so pretty. So clearly I need to blow in here into this negative space here, and then figure out what else I'm gonna flipping do, because I don't know at this point. I feel like I'm a beginner sometimes. All right, so I'm gonna start here and blow into this area here and then see what happens. That's pretty. I feel like because it's so wide, I can't navigate it the way I want. So there's pros and cons now. This angle is very wide for such a small canvas. And my flower hair dryer is so much smaller than this. Okay, look at the difference. All right. So I can maneuver the paint way better with this than I can with that on a small canvas. Now, the negative about this is it brings a lot of my background color into my petals. But do you see here, when I used this one, my petals are not taking over or taken over by the base color. So I'm darned if I do and I'm darned if I don't. So, you know, I'm going to have to fix this big time here. I really do prefer using this one because of the control I can get with this. So I'm going to have to sit and fix this because this needs serious fixing. This side's okay, but I need to fidget. So I'm going to fidget. So this is better now. This has really pretty cells here. I'm liking that. I really like how I got the negative space here in this part. This is getting a little too close for comfort for me. So I'm going to try and blow this back into place, I guess. All right, that's better. Okay, I like that better. So lesson learned here is I'm not going to use this anymore. And this is still on fire. Oh my goodness, it's hot. Let's unplug it just to be safe. I think I'm going to blow this part just to expose some of the blue-black indigo here. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so that is it with that. I am going to touch up my edges with my base here, and I'm going to be right back and bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, everybody, I have fixed my edges, already scraped my drips. So let's check out this close-up. Now, the colors on this one are super rich, and there's going to be some really great shimmer because of the Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. I kind of like how this corner ended up all the way across like that. There's that negative space I put in there, which I really like. So I'm really liking this piece a lot. So there you have it with the lights on and lots of reflection. Let's check it out with the flash. All right, flash is on and look at it. It's the Arteza. So pretty. And the Pebeo. This is going to be really pretty with a coat of crystal resin. This Amethyst by Arteza is a really nice color. I'm not going to lie, I really like all the pearl colors by Arteza. They really are stupendous. That's right, stupendous. Very pretty. So pretty. Look at that. All right, lights back on. There you have it, everybody. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. And it is available for purchase. It's a 12 by 16 inch canvas. If you are interested in this piece, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. There's a bunch of information listed in the description below. Lots of discount codes for different products. Check all that out in the description below. So until next time, that's it for now. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.